Hey guys, I'm Jared with Stryker Boats. Today we're here to talk about how to choose the right boat for you. Now, this is a question with a lot of answers. So there's a few factors in determining the outcome. So what we want to look at is how many people are you going to require to put in the boat? How much load or equipment are you looking to carry? What size outboard are you looking to run? What kind of performance are you looking for? And what type of water are you looking to use the boat on? So all of these factors will determine the right boat for you. So what we like to look at is our 250 is quite a small boat. It isn't commonly used as a standalone boat for fishing with the family. The 270 is suitable for up to 2 to 4 people. 2 people will be the most comfortable in a boat of that size. We recommend for any sort of performance that you pair that with a 9.8. Our 320 series of boat is a very well-rounded boat suitable for just about any type of waterway. The 320 pairs very well with a 9.8 in just about any situation, whether that be a lake, river, or ocean, and is very comfortable for 2 people, but is also suitable for up to 4. It is very commonly used for people who are short on space, but still looking for a boat that will do anything. The 360 is one step up from the 320. We move into 18-inch tubes. It incorporates our classic nose design and is very comfortable for families up to 4 while still remaining quite a lightweight boat. This boat is paired well with a 9.8 for 2 people, but if you are moving into 3 or 4 people, we strongly suggest looking at the 20 horsepower. The 380 series of boat for 2021 has an all-new design, and please see our other videos for information on that boat. The 380 is a great boat for families of 4 plus who are looking for quite a bit of room and the ability to operate in just about any waterway. We do at this point recommend a 20 horsepower motor for that vessel in all trim levels. So whether you're looking at an LX, HD or Pro, the 20 horsepower is going to offer you the performance you're looking for with that package. Moving one step up is our 420. The 420 series of boat will work for just about everyone in every situation. It is considerably larger than the 380, incorporating the 20-inch tubes rather than the 18-inch tubes of the 360 and the 380. This boat is suitable for up to 5, 6, even 8 people. This boat is still paired quite nicely with a 20 horsepower outboard and will perform quite nicely with 4 people up on plane. Our Pro 500 is our largest roll-up inflatable offered. Being that it can still be rolled up and put away, with the weight, we do recommend to look at getting a trailer with this size of boat. As well, we do recommend that you look at a 30, 40, or possibly even a 50 horsepower outboard with the size of this boat. This boat is suitable for up to 10 people. For any more information on any of our products, please visit us at strykerboats.com.